Charleston, West Virginia. We have just received this important announcement regarding abducted children in Crawley in Greenbrier County. The Greenbrier County Sheriff's Office and the West Virginia State Police are looking for Adair Carey, a 7-year-old biracial male 4 foot 11 inches tall and 70 pounds with brown eyes and black hair, and Adriel Carey, a 17-year-old biracial female 5 foot 7 inches tall and 160 pounds with brown eyes and black hair. The children were last seen at SRT 219 intersection of Interstate 64. Adriel was wearing black Nike shorts, pink socks, black glasses, and a gray PSHIRT. Authorities advise the children were likely abducted by Nicole Carey, the children's mother, who is considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Adair Carey or Adriel Carey, please contact Greenbrier County 911 at 304-647-7911 or the West Virginia State Police, your local 911, or dial SP on a cell phone.